Good morning and Assalamu alaikum to my dear students. Hope you will be fine and enjoying the winter season. Students, today date is 15th January 2021 and the day is Friday. Today students, we are starting the new unit, the new topic. Our topic is unit number 9 and that is about the information handling. Students, in the information handling, now we are discussing about the average. What is the average and what is belongs to this topic? So let's, students, if you have given more than two values or two or more values, then what should you do? You have to sum these two numbers and then you have to divide with the number of quantities, with the number of values, then you have to find out the average. So the most important thing in the average is to use the formula. Here the formula for the average is given: sum of values divided by the number of values. For example, student, if I am giving you the two numbers 5, 10, two numbers, and I want to find out the average, then how I want to find out the average? I will write the formula, and then the first is given us the number of sum of values. Sum of values, how I am finding out the sum of values? Sum means plus, sum means plus. So we have to add these two numbers, then it gives the sum, and when we add this number it gives 25. So in place of the sum of values, I will write here 25. There is the division sign here. I will draw here the division sign. The next thing, giving us the number of values. How I find out the number of values? Number of values means हमें कितनी values यहाँ पर दी हुई हैं, कितने numbers दिए हुए हैं, and that is 1 and 2. Means the number of values given to you, that is 2. Here students, now both the things we have given, so just put these two things in the formula, then we have to find out the average. Here the sum of values are 25, so I will write here 25, and in place of number of values there is 2, so I will place here 2. Now it means the 25 is divisible by 2. We will divide it, and when we will divide it, that it gives the answer of this average. I hope students you understand this topic. Now students, the next thing we have used here, we will doing the questions from exercise number 1, and in exercise number 1 the question is calculate the average. Main thing given to us, average. We have to calculate the average of the data. This is given the data. ये हमें data दिया हुआ है, हम लोगों ने इसकी क्या find out करनी है? Average. The second question given to us, give your answer to one decimal place. The second necessary thing given to us to give the answer in one decimal place, I will tell you later. And they said where necessary, जहाँ ज़रूरत है वहीं पर उसने कहा है ये करना है, और जहाँ ज़रूरत नहीं है वहाँ पर इस रूल की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now let's come here. We have given the data, this one. The first thing to find out the average is to find out the sum of values. So find out the sum of values, and the sum of values are 93, 87, 89, 92, 95, 84. Now students, we have to find out the sum of these numbers. How we find out the sum of these number? Very easy. You will write all these numbers vertically and then find out the sum. I want to find out the sum. 7 plus 3, 10, 19, plus 2, 21, plus 5, 26, plus 4, 30. 0 is here, 3 is carry. 9 and 3, 12, 12, 8, 20, 28, 28, 28 and 9, 37, 37 plus 9, 46, 46 plus 8, 54. The answer is 540. So this is the sum. Here the second number is to find out the number of values. Second thing is to find out the number of values. What are the number of values? Count these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means the number of values are 6. Now we used here the formula. Find out the formula, find out the average. That is equal to sum of values divided by number of values. And here sum of values are, what is the sum of value? The sum of values is 540. So I will write here 540. The next thing we have given to us number of values. So instead of this one I will write here 6. So now this is the way in which we have to divide. Now I will divide 540 with a 6. 6 के टेबल में 54 कहाँ आता है? 6 9s are 54. Now I will take here the 0. 6 zeros are 0. It means it gives the answer 90. Now student, the second thing they said that give your answer in one decimal place. Decimal means point. जब यहाँ पर पॉइंट ही नहीं आया तो ये इस बात का कोई मायने नहीं है. I will tell you later in the questions. Now the second question has given the data like this. Now we have to find out the average. So to find out the average students, which things needed here? कौन सी दो चीज़ें हम लोगों ने देखनी है? The first one is to find out the sum of values. सबसे पहले हमने क्या find out करना है? Sum of values find out करनी है. और वो हमारे पास कैसे आएंगी? To add them. When we add these numbers, how we add these numbers? By writing here vertically. When I will write here vertically, then add them. 9 and 7, 16, 16 and 5, 21, 21 plus 9, 30, 30 plus 5, 35. 5 is here, 3 is carry. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. So it gives the answer 155. So the sum of values are 155. The second thing is number of values. अब मेरे पास यहाँ पर number of values कितनी है? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means the number of values are 5. Now use the formula. अब हम यहाँ पर formula लिखेंगे. Average is equal to sum of values divided by number of values. Now sum of values are 155 and divided by number of values are 5. इस साइन का क्या मतलब होता है? डिवाइड. अब हमने इन दोनों को क्या करना है? डिवाइड करना है. I will write 155 in the house and divided with 5. 5 के टेबल में ये 15 कहाँ आता है? 5 3s are 15. Now I will take a 5 also. Now 5 के टेबल में 5 कहाँ आता है? 5 1s are 5. Again minus. Then it remainder is 0 and gives the answer 31. यहाँ पर भी हमारे पास डेसिमल पॉइंट में आंसर नहीं आया, इसलिए सेकेंड जो कंडीशन मैंने आप लोगों को कही है वो इस पर अप्लाई नहीं होगी. अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हम देखते हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, in the third question you have given the data. First thing we have to find here sum of values. The sum of values we have to find here 18, 14, 11, 25, 27, 19. Student, one thing you must be remembered here that we must use this sign. It means to sum these values. इसका मतलब होता है कि हम इसको प्लस करें. अगर आप यहाँ पर कॉमास ड्रॉ कर दोगे तो ये मिस्टेक हो जाएगी आप लोगों की. So we must use the addition sign in between these numbers. Now to find out the sum, again we will write these numbers vertically and then find out the sum. 9 plus 7 16 plus 5 21 plus 1 22 22 plus 4 26 26 plus 4 30 30 plus 4 34. So 3 is carry. 3 plus 3 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. The answer is 114. So the sum of values is 114. 14. The second thing is number of values. Number of values. How we write here the number of values? By counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means the number of values are 6. The formula of average is, the thing is to find the average. A formula of average, sum of values divided by number of values. Now here the sum of values given to us is 114 and divided it with 6. Now we have to divide it. When we divide 114 with a 6, 6 के टेबल में 11 के करीब क्या आएगा? 6 1 से 6 ही आएगा, वरना 6 2 से 12 हो जाता है, वो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. अब हम माइनस करेंगे तो इट गिव्स द आंसर 5. नाउ आई विल टेक अगेन द 4. 6 के टेबल में 54 कहाँ आता है? 6 9 ज़ा 54. It gives the answer 90. It means the average of this number is 90. In the fourth question, students, we have given the data of these numbers. Now the first thing we have to find here the sum of values. I will write the values with the sum and then I will add by writing it vertically. When we write it vertically, then 8, 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 0, 2 is here. 7 plus 2, 9. 7, 7, 14. 8, 8, 16. 6, 4, 10. And 3, 30 plus 2 carry 32. Now second thing is number of values. Second thing is the number of values. Here the number of values are 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of values is 4. Now we have to use here the average. Average is equal to sum of values over number of values. Now students, as you know, the sum of values is given to us is 320. So I will write here 320 and the number of values given to us is 4. So divide it. We will write 320 in a division sign and divide it with 4. 4 8s are 32. Now I will take here 0. 4 zeros are 0. Now when we minus, it gives no remainder. The answer is 80. Now the average of these numbers are 80. Now the last question. Now students, in the last question you have given the data. According to this, we have to find out the sum of values, then number of values, then we used in the average formula. Now to find out the sum of values, we will add all these numbers, and when we add all these numbers, then it gives the answer. Firstly, we will arrange it vertically, then it gives the answer 360. Then I will write here 360. The second thing given to us is number of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of values are 5. Now we will write here sum of values 360 and number of values 5. When we divide 360 with 5, now read out the table of 5 up to 36. 5 7s are 35. When we minus, then it gives the answer 1. I will take here the 0, it becomes 10. Now 5 2s are 10. Now minus, it gives no remainder here. So the answer is 72. As you know students, there is not the condition here to divide and it gives any remainder. यहाँ पर हमारे पास कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं था जिसको मैंने डिवाइड किया और उसमें रिमाइंडर रहता हो. अगर रिमाइंडर रहता हो तो रिमाइंडर को ख़त्म करने के लिए हम डेसिमल पॉइंट यूज़ करते हैं. तो यहाँ पर इसलिए रिमाइंडर ही नहीं बचा तो हम लोग कोई डेसिमल पॉइंट भी यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. सो दैट्स व्हाई द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन टू अस टू फाइंड आउट द एवरेज. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में उसने हमें एवरेज फाइंड आउट करने के लिए कहा था, वो हमने सब वैल्यूज़ में फाइंड आउट किया है. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स you understand this topic very well and you will do all these questions neatly on your neat notebook and perfectly, and there will be no problem for you. Okay, goodbye.